Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by picking the exact Google account that holds the Play purchases. Once done, open the Play Store and confirm the account avatar top right so you don't change the wrong profile. Next, open your device settings and a browser tab for payments. Google.com, you'll switch between the app and account pages. This prepares you to clear local app traces and manage the central payment record. Make sure you have Wi-Fi or mobile data. Some actions sync to Google servers immediately. Now clear local Play Store history by going to Settings, Apps, Google Play Store, then Storage, tap Clear Cache and Clear Data to remove locally stored budget traces. Then, in a browser, open Payments. Google.com to review transactions and remove saved payment methods. Note that purchases themselves are retained in Google's records and cannot be deleted, but removing cards stops future auto charges and removes local payment shortcuts. If you use Google Wallet, open it and remove any stored cards and disable automatic sync, so local history is minimized. Finish by reopening the Play Store and signing out then back in. This forces a fresh sync and typically clears local budget traces. If purchases still appear, go to My Activity. Google.com and remove Play Store activity entries to reduce visible history. Remember, server-side transactions often remain. If problems persist, uninstall Play Store updates or reinstall them from Settings apps or contact Google support for purchase disputes. One key troubleshooting tip. If a transaction won't disappear, verify you're in the correct Google account before escalating to support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.